Good morning. I am Dr. Vijay Vade. I am here to endorse the great contribution by Mr. Virag Wankhede in the field of the entertainment, specifically in the field of the singing. He became the singing star in Mumbai. His journey, if you look at, it is a wonderful journey, and now today he is a film director too. After bagging the 5 international Guinness Book of Record in the field of singing, continuously singing for more than 1000 hours, similar kind of the 5 international Guinness Book of Record is in his account. I am very happy. Recently he has been nominated for the Padma Shri Award, and I wish him all the best for his future endeavor. He has got his own film academy, and he is also creating the other artists too and actors too. All the awards were dedicated for the sake of humanity and for the social cause. Now recently the cause which he has initiated is for caring the earth, caring the mother earth. If you look at, caring the mother earth means all the Pancha Mahabhuta, the air, water, soil, and all the enhance. As far as the space is concerned, we need to take care and save the earth from specifically from the pollutions. It may be a water pollution, it may be air pollution, it may be saving the whole earth from the carbon footprint. Carbon footprint is the major cause in the whole world which is disturbing the mother earth. Some nations create this carbon, and we all have to suffer because of that. The global warming issue is the main issue. It becomes every year. If it is increasing by 1.5 degree, one fine day the universe will not excuse you and the mother earth will be destroyed. And to caution that, Virag Wankhede has come forward, and he wanted to establish clean and green environment and clean and green earth. Biodiversity issue may be there. It may be issue with respect to the health and humanity perspective. The campaign where with respect to the eye donation, with respect to the organ donations, the cause, specifically all this noble cause, he has started this initiative. And on the auspicious day of Engineers Day, the great contribution by all the engineers, he has set up one 12-hour singing competition so that all the engineers will sing for the cause of the peace and harmony and restoring the clean and green environment to protect our mother earth. I am very happy, even though the UNESCO is trying for the sustainable development of the earth. All the issue, right from the hunger, poverty, education, quality education, health, water, all the cities, green cities, clean cities, and specifically restoring the peace on the earth. They are working and tuned to that psychology. Mr. Virag Wankhede has taken this initiative. May all the best wishes are for him and his success. And on the auspicious day of Engineers Day, he has determined to create one film on Mokshagundam Vishwesvaraya Soch Engineer Ki. My all the best wishes from D.Y. Patil Educational Complex Front, Dr. Vijay Vade, Pune. Thank you very much.